Hey everyone, welcome back to Turner Mobile Detailing. Today we're going to be continuing our series in how to detail your car if you live in an apartment and you don't have access to running water and electricity. So unfortunately, it's not possible really to wash your car with a pump sprayer, even though in our last video we talked about doing your wheels with the tool like that. So hopefully you live relatively close to a do-it-yourself car wash where you can pull in the bay and wash your vehicle yourself. We live just outside Philadelphia, so car washes are plentiful. So we're going to take the car to the car wash and we'll pick up the video there. Stay tuned. So we're here at the local car wash. We're going to do a quick wash down. I'm not going to do a super careful wash, honestly. This car is getting polished in a few weeks. I'm going to be trying out my new toy, this bad boy right here, my new DeWalt cordless DA. I'm not really going to worry about the paint tonight because in a few weeks she's getting polished good as new. So I'll be doing a review on that, so keep on the lookout for that video. I'm just going to use one wash mitt with one bucket of water, and really the purpose of this video is to show you how to wash your car if you live in an apartment and if you have to use a facility like this. To my right here, you can see is one of those scrubber brushes. Please, if you care about your paint at all, do not ever use one of those things. It's full of garbage and dirt from everyone else's car, and they get left on the ground, they get dragged through God knows what, and even if you blow it out with the pressure washer, you're not guaranteed to get everything clean. So let's get started. Now the first thing that I like to do, my strategy is I always clean my wheels first. I bring a little pump sprayer so I can wet them down and then give them a quick little rinse after I wash them, so I don't have to waste money on the pressure washer first. And I can pressure wash them off when I do my initial rinse down. That way the wheels are nice and clean and I can just focus on washing the paint and then give everything one last rinse down afterward. And that way I only have to pay for using the power washer 2 times instead of 3. While that wheel cleaner is dwelling, if you can notice, I've got some blocks of wood underneath the tires. Little tip and trick for all of you out there. They allow me to get the wheels up off the ground so that I can clean underneath the wheels all in one shot. I don't have to move the vehicle back and forth to clean the underside, and the same goes for when I dress the tires. It's all nice and exposed. I don't have to move the car, and then when it's done, I just drive off the blocks, put the blocks away, and it's all done. All right, now we are ready for the first rinse down. As you can see, you have to be very careful of this hose, because if you're not careful, it'll swing right into your car and it most likely will damage your paint. About 8 weeks ago, I put Meguiar's Express Spray Wax on there. Usually it only lasts about 6 weeks, but from what I can see, it's doing pretty good 8 weeks later. Now for the wash. I'm just using some basic Meguiar's Gold Class. It's just a maintenance wash, nothing special. The trick here is to move quick, because technically at one of these car washes you're not supposed to bring a bucket with soap and water. They want you to use their brush and keep paying. So you got to move fairly quickly so you don't get caught. Now, please don't hammer me too bad in the comments. Like I said, this paint is getting polished in a few weeks, so I don't really care too much about using 2-bucket method, using grit guards, or even what I like to do is using a separate towel or wash sponge for every pass in the vehicle. That way my wash sponge or my towel never goes back into the clean water. So anyway, keep that in mind. Normally I wash nice and clean, and my wash mitt or my wash rag never go back into the clean water. All right, all that's left to do now is to hose her off, and we're done. If you notice the hydrophobic behavior on the glass, on the windshield there, I've got Glassparency on there. Feel free to check out that option on our website, turnermobiledetailing.com/packages. We are a certified installer of Glassparency. You can see water just beads right off. It ain't got a chance. All right, we are done. So she's all rinsed down. The only thing left to do now is to take her home and dry her off and dress the tires. If you like this content, if you like this video, and especially if you live in an apartment and you would like to be able to be a better detail of your own personal vehicle, please give a like down below and subscribe for future content. This is only the second video in the how to detail your car if you live in an apartment series. So please support the channel, and we'll see you all next time.